Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix missing shader error in Battlefield REDSEC on PC.
Fix 1. Delete the old shader cache. Step 1. Press Windows R, type %localub data% and press Enter. Step 2. Open the Battlefield REDSEC folder. Step 3. Delete the shader cache or cache folder. Step 4. Restart your PC and relaunch the game. It will rebuild a fresh shader cache. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Open EA app or Steam. Step 2. Go to your game library. Step 3. Right-click Battlefield REDSEC, choose Repair, EA, or Properties. Installed files, verify integrity of game files. Steam. Step 4. Wait for the scan and repair to finish, then restart your game. Fix 3. Clear direct shader, cache. Step 1. Press Windows I System Storage. Step 2. Click Temporary Files. Step 3. Check the box for DirectX shader cache. Step 4. Click Remove Files. Step 5. Restart your PC and then launch Battlefield REDSEC again. Fix 4. Disable overclocking. Step 1. If you use MSI Afterburner or any overclocking tool, close it. Step 2. Reset your GPU and CPU to default clock speeds. Step 3. Restart your PC and try running the game again. Fix 5. Run the game as administrator. Step 1. Right-click on Battlefield REDSEC. XA. Step 2. Choose Properties Compatibility tab. Step 3. Check Run this program as an administrator. Step 4. Click Apply, OK, and relaunch the game.